Welcome to LUCID Futurism, where we unleash the mysteries of the universe, one thought at a time. What exactly is a parallel universe? And does the multiverse really exist? Today, we're diving into the intersection of science, spirituality, and what it all means in my story, Lucid. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help grow this channel so that other like-minded individuals can join the movement. You've probably heard of parallel universes, alternate realities that could exist alongside ours, where different choices, events, and outcomes play out. Maybe you've even wondered if there's a version of you out there living a completely different life. It's a mind-bending idea that has captured the imagination of scientists, spiritual seekers, and sci-fi fans alike. In my novel Lucid, this concept plays a huge role as the main character, Evan, explores an alternate reality through lucid dreaming. But before we get into how it all ties into the story, let's dive into what parallel universes and the multiverse mean, scientifically and spiritually, and how they could change everything we think we know about reality. What exactly is a parallel universe? Think of a parallel universe as another version of reality running alongside ours, but slightly or sometimes massively different. In one universe, maybe you took that job offer in a different city, or maybe in another, humans never existed at all. These parallel worlds exist separately, but may occasionally influence or overlap with one another. At least that's the theory. While it's a cool idea in movies, books, and TV shows, the concept isn't just science fiction. There are actual scientific theories that propose parallel universes could be real. However, these ideas are still theoretical. No one has found solid proof that parallel universes exist yet. The science, many worlds interpretation, and bubble universes. One of the biggest scientific theories behind parallel universes comes from quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that deals with the tiniest particles in the universe. This is where we get the many worlds interpretation. This theory says that every time a quantum event happens, think an atom moving or a particle reacting, the universe splits into multiple realities. Every possible outcome exists in its own universe. For example, let's say you're choosing between going out with friends or staying home to binge Netflix. According to the many worlds interpretation, the universe splits the moment you decide. In one universe, you're out with friends. In another, you're home watching your favorite series. Both versions of you are equally real, but exist in different realities. Then there's the multiverse theory, which expands this idea to a cosmic level. This theory suggests that our universe is just one bubble floating in an ocean of countless others. Each bubble is its own universe with its own set of rules, physical laws, and histories. Some might be similar to ours, while others could be so alien that we wouldn't even recognize them. This idea ties into the inflation theory from cosmology, which says that right after the Big Bang, the universe expanded rapidly, possibly creating different pockets of reality. But here's the catch. We don't have any direct evidence for the multiverse or parallel universes. It's all theoretical for now, but the idea has a lot of support in the scientific community because it helps explain some of the big mysteries about the universe. The spiritual side of parallel universes. While science explores the nuts and bolts of parallel universes, spirituality approaches it from a different angle. Many spiritual traditions talk about alternate dimensions, different planes of existence, or layers of consciousness that exist beyond our normal waking experience. If you've ever practiced lucid dreaming or meditation, you may have had moments where you felt like you were in a completely different reality, one where the rules of time and space don't seem to apply. Some people interpret these experiences as tapping into parallel realities or different dimensions. In this sense, your mind acts like a bridge between worlds, allowing you to explore versions of reality that are usually hidden from everyday consciousness. Hinduism and Buddhism talk about higher realms of existence, while Tibetan Buddhism has practices like dream yoga that specifically aim to access these hidden dimensions. In these traditions, alternate realities are often seen as a pathway to higher knowledge or self-realization. The idea is that through meditation, dreaming, or even spiritual awakening, you can step into these parallel realms and gain deeper insights into yourself and the universe. How LUCID explores parallel universes. Now, let's talk about how all of this ties into LUCID. In the novel, the character Evan navigates through different realities in his dreams. Evan's experiences also tap into the spiritual side of parallel realities. His lucid dreams allow him to access deeper levels of consciousness, connecting him to higher truths about his life, identity, and the nature of reality. Through his dream journeys, Evan can see beyond the surface of his waking life, discovering that there's much more to existence than what's immediately visible. In Lucid, the dreamscape acts as a metaphor for the multiverse. At the heart of Evan's journey is the idea that we're constantly making choices that ripple out into multiple versions of reality. Some choices may seem insignificant in the moment, but they can lead to vastly different outcomes in parallel universes. Lucid asks us to consider, what if the reality we experience is just one thread in a larger tapestry of infinite possibilities? The intersection of science, spirituality, and lucid. So what's the takeaway? Parallel universes and the multiverse push the boundaries of how we understand reality. From the many worlds interpretation and quantum mechanics to the spiritual exploration of alternate dimensions, both science and spirituality offer fascinating perspectives on the existence of multiple realities. In Lucid, these ideas aren't just abstract concepts. They're central to Evan's journey of self-discovery. The novel explores how different versions of reality can coexist and how understanding these alternate worlds can lead to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. Whether you're fascinated by the science of parallel universes or intrigued by the spiritual side of exploring alternate realities, Lucid bridges the gap between both worlds, reminding us that reality is far more complex and exciting than it seems. Remember to stay curious and continue exploring the unknown. Let's unlock the secrets of the universe together and create a better world for all.